Welcome back to another edition of the Electrician's Tool Channel. Before we get started, guys, if this is your first time visiting the channel, and if you like what you see when the video is over, I would like you to hit that subscribe button or hit that like button so we can try to build this channel up, and also that hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any future videos. Okay, and with that being out of the way, let us get started. I want to do an unboxing of my latest toy right here. This is the HAKKO FX-888D digital soldering station, as you see. So I haven't opened the box yet. I just received it. So we're going to just do an unboxing and see what's inside of it, and do a little experiment with it. It won't be a big experiment, just something quick and enjoyable, hopefully. But let's just get right to it. All right. I guess that's the instruction. Okay. Okay, this is the iron. That's the stand. Iron holder, I guess you should say. Here's the brain of the operation right there. That's it. So, get all that out of the way. All right, this is what you get. Okay, you get the brain of the operation right here. You get this soldering stand, which is metal. The soldering iron holder, which is metal. That's nice. And you get the soldering cleaning, just a little like a Brillo or something, wire to clean the soldering tip. You stuff that inside of here. Also, you get this this little sponge that fits in here. Now, let me see. Make sure this is American plug. Yeah, American plug. So far, guys, I'm liking what I see. I want to check and see if this is because I hear that they have a lot of fake ones that's being sold out there, and it's a certain thing you gotta look for. I've heard you gotta look for certain little, those like nameplate writing on the bottom, certain things about it. Okay, it'll work. It really feels nice. It really feels nice. This is high quality. I could have got the Weller, but I wanted to try something different because I've had an experience with the desoldering gun already by HAKKO, and I was very pleased. So I say, well, okay then, well, maybe let's let me try the iron. I have a soldering rework station already, but it's one of those little $30, maybe $35 ones by Zenny. I've seen them under other names also, but the one I have is ZENY, and it has the heat gun. Also with the soldering gun on the side, with the digital readout. It's okay. It's okay, but like I told y'all who been following my videos, I'm trying to build my lab up. And that I showed you, I took the video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just check my videos. I'm showing you my up and coming little hobby lab that I'm building. And I wanted to put only the best stuff in there because, anyway, because I intend on making some money with it. All right, so this is just a little quick start guide. letting you know what the, if you know what the codes, if something go wrong, if it displays certain codes, what's wrong with it, and so on and so forth. So I used to be a person growing up that hardly ever read instructions, and so sometimes I still don't. Depends on what I'm putting together, like told you know. But I'm gonna hold on to this because I'm gonna go through this myself and do some reading and keep a hold of this, and just for safekeeping. Now, those of you, this may be your first time, or some of you may even own a HAKKO, so you know what I'm touching in my hand. This is really nice. Those of you who don't have one, this is a real nice setup right here that you need to if you're involved in electronics or soldering. This is a real nice one. So let me get this together here. Make sure. Okay. Okay. This is really nice. And I got an experiment that I want to do too. I'm gonna show you guys what I want to do to this. Right now, they say it heats up really quick. I don't know, but we're about to find out how quick it heats up and to what temperature that we're about to see how it heats up. I don't have, man, I wish I had my shoe. I don't have it. It's in the shed. I was looking for my my vise. I guess that'll work for now. That'll work for now. But anyway, guys, what I'm planning on doing is this. What I'm planning on doing is this. I got my 87V here with a temperature clamp, and temperature clamp. Clamp that on here. Now, I don't have anything else to, wow, it won't stay on all the way. I was hoping that I could. Well, hold on a minute. Okay, that's good enough. And just to be on, to make sure it's giving us the correct temperature, I'm going to put this one together. And we're going to see if these meters displays what this says on here, or come close. So bear with me a minute. All right. So let me set this up, guys. All right. So let's go to menu on here. Scroll down to temp, Fahrenheit. Yep. All right. We're gonna do. That's the temperature for that one. Let me do this one. Also, okay, menu, zone temp, Fahrenheit. Okay, we're gonna do min max. We're going to do min-max on here too. So let's plug this thing in, get this ball rolling. Okay, guys, right now, whatever's on here, we're going to see Right now it's saying it's at 750 degrees. Okay. I hope the clamps are on it the way it's supposed enough where it'll get a good reading. Make sure there's all yeah. I have the Edge Tech position kind of at the front, so that may make a difference why the Edge Tech isn't going up higher. The fluke is a little back on the shaft, and the Edge Tech is closer to the tip. So what I'll do when the Edge Tech maxes out, if it gets to 750, I'll just take that off, and I'll put that close to the front also, and I'll see if it does the same. Kind of slipped off, y'all. Whoa! Oh shoot! It was melting. It went through. That's what happened. Anyway, that's the it went to melting. All right. Let's just see if it'll get to Well, guys, that's as far as I got. I'll get a better clamp. But anyway, that's what happened. And I couldn't get it up to that because of that reason. I guess I had it on there wrong. But wait a second. Let me see, can I shave some of this off? And go again. Oh, sure, it broke. Yeah, it's broken. Oh, it's broken. This one did anyway. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me see if that fluke gonna reach to 700, like it said. Let's do that. I can't get it to grab. I can't get it to grab. Now I gotta clean all this off, y'all. If I could do it like this and get some of it on. Yeah. Some of it's coming on, but I'll get that on. It's not a problem. I get the rest of it on. But anyway, the max was it was like 400 something degrees on this one. But I tell you what, there's still hope. Still hope. I want to see. I can still do it. Now, why is in there, guys? Wait. Let me clean it off. I just want to see if it really gets to the 700 like I said. What happened? There we go. I just saw 500 and 501. I can't seem to keep it on there. I did so for C501. I can't seem to keep it on there, y'all. But it didn't get up to no 5. It probably would have. I'm gonna have to get Tell you what, I'm determined to get that temperature. Give me a second, guys. Let me get something. It's time to pull out the big guns. I really want to see if it reaches 700 degrees, like it said it should. Here we go. Too much light up here. Wait. Let's try that. What I don't understand is telling me that guys, I don't know if y'all can see this. Hold on 1 second. But I hope you can now. Wait. Close the blinds. Let me show you this. Maybe you can. The glare. But I got it right on there. I'm not too far away. I'm right on it now. I just saw 4. I don't think it's gonna peak out at 500. It's like 470 something what I saw. If I get the angle right. 465. It's nowhere near 750 degrees Fahrenheit on there. So nowhere near it. So guys, that's it. I think I tried to prove my point. This thing, I think it is in, I don't see no other way unless it's in 750 Celsius. I'm not sure. I have to check in here if you can switch it over from Fahrenheit to Celsius on this thing here. But it didn't reach it. It didn't reach. Oh. No, that was Fahrenheit. And they're saying when the power is on, tip measure temperatures will be between 100 and 899 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, 50 to 480 Celsius. Well, it said 700 and I think 50 on here. It only got up to 400. I don't know if that's, I don't know, guys. If y'all have one of these, if any one of you guys have one of these, please try it out and let me know. because if it's defective, I want to send it back because it was 300 and something degrees short of the 899, or maybe close to 400 degrees short of the what it says it's supposed to be, 899. See it at the top, the first one. When it's on, it should be between 100 and 120 and 899 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 480 Celsius. Nah, something's wrong here. Something's wrong here. But okay, guys, thank you again, man, for allowing me to take up your time. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the share button. Let's help build the channel. Peace out.